Hi, Dr. Don Colbert here. And if you're ready to take your health to the next level, our 21-day Detox Starter Pack is a great way to cleanse, nourish, and revitalize your body from the inside out. Let's start with our green Supremefood. It's packed with powerful greens like broccoli, spinach. It helps to alkalinize the body, creating an environment where toxins cannot thrive. This blend supports your liver, which is the body's main detox organ, while promoting a balanced alkaline state that's essential for cellular health. We have our fiber zone, which is a unique combination of both soluble and insoluble fibers, keeping your colon functioning optimally and ensuring the healthy elimination of toxins and waste. Proper elimination is crucial for overall detoxification and maintaining energy levels throughout the day. We also include the liver gallbladder cleanse supplement, which is packed with nutrients like organic beetroot, N-acetylcysteine, alpha-lipoic acid, artichoke extract, and selenium. These powerful ingredients support both the liver and gallbladder, helping to detoxify the liver and flush out the gallbladder and restore its natural cleansing abilities. Finally, we cannot forget our nanoglutathione spray, known as the master antioxidant. Glutathione is absolutely essential for cellular repair and protecting us against free radical damage. You see, every single cell in your body relies on glutathione to detoxify and rejuvenate, making it a cornerstone of this detox package. This package addresses the main detox organs at every level, the liver, the gallbladder, and the colon. So I created the 21-day detox package to help my patients feel more mentally alert, more focused, clearer thinking, and more energized. So now is the time to restore, rebuild, and renew your whole body. So join me on this journey to vibrant health, and you'll experience the difference for yourself.